How to change the sleep time of your laptop or desktop computer in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the sleep time of your computer or laptop in Windows 11. So you might have noticed that sometimes if you leave your computer idle for too long, it hibernates into the sleep mode. But for example, if you have any important download or process which is in progress, then that progress or process will halt. So in order to avoid this situation, you might think that you should increase the sleep time. So in order to do this, I will help you. All you need to do is simply follow the steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do in order to increase the sleep time is head on towards the settings of our Windows 11 computer. So to head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button, and from this menu simply choose settings. This will lead you to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Then once you are inside the settings, you can see this system tab on the left hand side. So simply click onto this system option and it will give you the system settings of your Windows device. Now from here you can see this option of power and battery, which includes the settings related to screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and energy saver as well. So you need to click onto this power and battery option. Once you will do this, it will open the power and battery settings, and from here you can see the third option that says screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts. Choose what happens when your device is idle for a specified time. So click onto this option, and here you can see that it has opened two plans. The first plan is when your computer is plugged in. Since I am currently on a laptop, that is why it is giving me these two options, where the first option represents when my laptop is plugged in, that means the laptop is charging, and then the another option which says on battery, that means when my laptop is on battery and is not getting any direct power input. So when plugged in, you can see you have this second option in the plugged in that says make my device sleep after, and then the time is 5 minutes. So this basically means when my laptop is plugged in, make my device sleep after 5 minutes. And similarly, for on the battery side, when my device is on battery, make my device sleep after, the time is 3 minutes. So for example, if you want to change that sleep time when your device is plugged in, so you can simply click onto this drop down arrow and choose from these predefined timestamps. So for example, let me choose it to 10 minutes, and now when my device will be plugged in or when my device will be charging, I can make my device sleep after 10 minutes and not before that. And similarly, when my device is on battery, I want my device to sleep after, let's say, 5 minutes. So only after 5 minutes, and when my device will be on battery, will be the time when it will go to sleep. So by changing these two parameters, you can make sure that you have enough time to complete out the processes before your device goes into sleep. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.